Hello everyone, welcome back to Dash of Spices. Today I'll be showing you how I made this quick and easy air fried garlic chicken wings. If you want to learn how I make this, keep on watching. And here's our simple ingredients. I have here is a dozen of chicken wings. This is like 1.5 pounds chicken wings. I have garlic salt, garlic powder, ground white pepper. We're also gonna need breadcrumbs and some oil, and that's it. First things first, we're gonna pat dry the chicken wings. If you have a gloves, you're welcome to use the gloves. I'm just patting this dry until excess water are gone. And I'm just gonna add 1 tablespoon of oil. I'm using olive oil. You could use any oil. And I will just mix this. Mixing this to make sure that the oil are distributed evenly. Start with garlic salt. You can adjust this garlic salt to your liking. Mix until everything are spread out or distributed evenly. Next is garlic powder. Mix again. Make sure that the powder are spread out or distributed evenly. And now the ground white pepper. If you don't have ground white pepper, you could use your regular ground black pepper. Cover this with a cling wrap. Let it sit in the fridge for 5 minutes or to 30 minutes. While that's in the fridge, go ahead and preheat your air fryer. You could use any air fryer. It doesn't have to be a Cosori. I would really like to try the Ninja one. And now that is done, let's go ahead and take out our chicken wings. Let's start with the breadcrumbs. We'll put that in a bowl, a shallow bowl like this. And here's our chicken wings. I'm going to add a little bit of oil, so this will help the breadcrumbs to stick into the chicken wings. If you want, you're also welcome to use an egg, but I'm just using oil. I'm making this as simple as possible. Now place that wings into the breadcrumbs. Make sure that all sides of the wings are coated with breadcrumbs, and do this for the rest of the wings. Once they're well coated, place this in the air fryer basket. Just like that. Don't place this on top of each other. Lay them flat next to each other. And that's all set. Now all we have to do is put this in the air fryer. And we're gonna cook this on 350 degrees heat for 20 minutes. And you can do anything you want to do for 20 minutes. And now we're back after 20 minutes. I'm going to use about 1 tablespoon of oil. I'm just gonna brush this into the wings. This will help your wings extra crispy. And flip it on the other side. And do the same thing. Go ahead and brush that with oil. Whatever oil left over you have. Once they're all coated, go ahead and put this back on the air fryer. This will work with any types of air fryer. It doesn't have to be a Cosori. 350 degrees, and cook this for extra 5 minutes. And we should be done. There is our air fried garlic chicken wings. It smells so good and it was super delicious. My family loved this. My daughter loved this so much, so I know your kids will love this too. Deliciously good and smells good as well. Let me show you the inside of the chicken wings. Look at that, they are cooked perfectly. The meat is perfectly done. It was juicy and tender. Again, if you wanted the skin to be extra crispy, you're welcome to use an egg instead of the oil. Please like this video, share, and leave us a comment if you have questions about this recipe. It's good? Is it cooked right? You like the flavor?
Yeah.
That's good.
It's good.
It tastes good?
Please show us some love by subscribing to our channel so we can continue creating more videos for you guys. Until next time, thanks for visiting. Ciao!